Hello everyone. Good day. How are you today? Okay, I hope everyone are feeling great. So by the way, how was your New Year's Day? Okay, so welcome to English class with Teacher Dell. Okay, so these are lesson content for today. First, objectives. Okay, so I will be going to discuss our objectives. Second, lesson. Of course, we will be gonna discuss our lesson for today. And the third one is, of course, we will be having our activity. And the fourth one is we will be having a review of our lesson for today. Tips. Defined and identification. Understand and define what a noun is and identify nouns in sentence by recognizing words that represent people, places, things, or idea. Next, classification of nouns. Differentiate between types of nouns such as proper and common nouns. And the third one is usage of nouns in sentence. Demonstrate the correct of nouns in sentences by applying grammatical rules and related to number agreement verbs. Lesson. Okay. So our lesson for today, it's all about noun. N-O-U-N. Noun. So by the way, what is noun? Okay, so do you have any idea what is noun? Of course, a noun is a name of a person, place, animal, and thing. Okay? And I will give you an example. First, person. Again, person. Okay, the example is doctor. Doctor. The another example is teacher. Teacher. Another, okay, we have policeman. Policeman. And of course, we have Teacher Dell. Teacher Dell. So the name of the person also, okay, is a noun. The second one is place. Place. Of course, based on the picture, that is school. Okay? School is a place because every one of us will go to school. So school is a place. Another. Okay, the another example is hospital. Hospital. Okay? And another one is, of course, your country, Thailand. Thailand is a place. Okay? And the third one is animal. Okay? The example of that is we have bear. Based on the picture, okay? So that is an animal. The another example is spider. Okay? How about dog? Cat. Okay? So that is and noun. And we have the last one, we have thing. Okay, we have a lot of thing. You can see it in everywhere. But the example that I will give to you is ball. Okay, ball. Of course, cell phone. Every one of us, we have cell phone. It is a very important thing. We have computer. Computer. Okay. We have two types of noun. The common noun and the proper noun. Okay. Common noun. They are the general names. Okay, so the general names of a person, a place, a thing, and an animal. For examples, we have girl. So girl is a general names of a person. How about house? House. So house is a general names of a place. How about dog? Dog. Okay, the dog is a general names of an animal. And the last one is umbrella. Umbrella. The umbrella is a general name of a thing. Okay, and the second one is proper noun. Again, proper noun. Okay, so always remember the difference between the two, between the proper noun and the common noun. The proper noun is a specific name of a person or a place. Okay, the specific name. But the common noun is a general names. Okay, like for examples, doctor. Doctor, okay? Doctor is a specific name of a person. How about Nadej? Nadej, okay? So do you you know Nadej? Okay, so Nadej is a very famous actor here in your country. Okay, so Nadej is a specific name of a person. Okay, and the third one is Thailand. Thailand. So Thailand is a country, but it is a specific name of a place. That's why it's belong to the proper noun. And the last one is garden. Garden. So, like for example, I want to go to garden. So, it gives the specific name of a place. So that's why it is a proper noun. Okay, I will give you an example. My toothbrush is old. Again, my toothbrush is old. What is noun? Okay, the noun is toothbrush. Why? Because toothbrush is a thing. So that's why toothbrush is a noun because again, it is a thing. Okay. How about example of course of common noun and proper noun? So the Tokyo, you know Tokyo, okay? Tokyo is a place in Japan, of course. Do you want to go there? Okay, me too, but no money. Okay, so Tokyo is what kinds of noun? What types of noun? Okay, so Tokyo is a proper noun. Why? Because it gives the specific name of a place which is located in Japan. Tokyo is a proper noun. Okay, are you ready for our activity for today? It is very easy, so no reason that you will have a 0 point. Okay, I hope everyone got a perfect score. Okay, so exercise 1, read the words below. Select the noun from each group of words. Again, read the words below. Select the noun from each group of words. Okay, everyone, you can get a paper or any available in your house. Okay, so write the sentence. Right? Okay, are you ready? Okay, number 1. The cat was sleeping. The cat was sleeping. Okay, so number 2. Jack is walking fast. Jack is walking fast. Number 3. He is playing with a ball. He is playing with a ball. Number 4. The doctor smiled at me. The doctor smiled at me. And the last one is, we walk around Bangkok. We walk around Bangkok. That is very easy, na? Okay. So let's proceed to exercise number 2. Okay. Read the words and select whether they are common noun or proper noun. Again, read the words and select whether they are common noun or proper noun. Okay, number 1, airplane. Airplane, common noun or proper noun? Number 2, Philippines. Philippines. Number 3, lady. Lady. Number 4, eraser. Eraser. Number 5, Jane. Jane. Okay? I hope everyone got a perfect score. That is 10 out of 10. Okay? But before anything else, before we will end this, we will gonna have a review. Okay? So that you will remind this if what are we gonna talk about. Okay, again, noun. What is a noun? It is a name of a person, a place, an animal, and a thing. Again, the example of a person, doctor, teacher Del. The example of a place, school, Thailand. Example of an animal, bear, spider. Example of a thing, ball, cell phone. Okay? Okay. Okay, so that would be all, everyone. I hope you enjoy and I hope you learn. And see you on January 5. Okay? Bye bye.